I am back to do another index card upcycle video. Here are some that I have done. You guys have seen these probably in my last few videos where I've been upcycling index cards and collaging and just having a lot of fun. So I'm kind of on a color theme kick. I filmed pink just a minute ago and now I'm gonna film green. So I just collected my little stash of green papers. Gotta find some room here. Just using a 4x6 index card. So I'm just gonna start collaging and we'll go from there. Quickly though, I'll show you, I always look for focal points for these cards. So since it's a green theme, I just grabbed some green pieces. If you're new here, these are called Collage Fodder. So they're handmade, collage pieces. Ephemera is another word, interchangeably, more or less. So check out my playlist. I'll link it in the description for Collage Fodder if you want to make some of these. It's so much cheaper, in my opinion, to make your own. Of course, I love store-bought, like this store-bought leaf. It's pretty, but, you can make tons of this stuff for yourself for pennies, really. So anyway, I'm going to start collaging, and if you'd like to follow along, grab some papers, and we'll do this. My favorite thing about collaging, like I say often, is that how you start out is never how it ends, So, I'm just putting down some base papers. I do feel like I repeat myself, but I do get new people on my channel. So I'll just kind of walk you through my process. I start out with base papers. I'm not super picky about them because I layer. Actually, let's put this over here. I'm biased to polka dots, so you'll see lots of that in my work. But I'm going to add some stripes because that'll be different for me. So then as I get going, I add layers of washi tape. Not layers, but you'll see. And then focal points. And I like to add numbers and words or one or the other. So this is a stamped book piece. I don't know if I want it on there or not. I don't know what my focal point's gonna be, so this might be. I'll put it, oh, this paper's real brittle. I'll put it on, I can always cover it if it doesn't go with my non-plan. And I love to add a tab, so I'll show you some ways I do, or a way that I do it when I get to that. So where are you guys tuning in from? Let me know in the comments how you found my channel. I love to hear about it. Super interesting to me. I am filming from my home in Michigan. I've lived here for 100 years. I've also lived in Arizona for 9 years and San Diego for a year, Washington State for a year. A lot of it was my own traveling and moving, but my dad was an iron worker, and so we moved with him sometimes, or one time, to Washington. So it's beautiful out, though. It's like fall and perfect weather. I wish it would stay like this for the rest of the year, because I am not a heat person. I can do winter. It doesn't bother me, actually. So when it's cold, it's fine. I would rather be cold than hot all day long. Let me see about this piece. Not loving it. Let's see. Okay. Right now I'm drying the last index card that I did, and it'll be posting before this one. Because I used some paint, so I need to dry it so I can sew on it. I got this paper at the Dollar Tree. So they have, is this ledger paper? Let me know. I think it's ledger. I don't know all the proper names for stuff that I have. But yeah, so it's perfect for collaging and, oops, adding to journaled pages. I'm losing my stuff here. So I just need one other little piece for that center. Let's just grab something. Don't be picky, Jody. I never say my name on this channel because I forget, but my name is Jody. I do have a real name. You guys, more polka dots, or what do you say? This will be the third polka dot. I'm gonna go for it because it's gonna get kind of covered. I just need something here. Although I'm trying to decide. I'll be like, nope, I don't want that. I want it this way. Okay. So now that my base is down, what I do is I turn it over and cut the excess off. So I'll do that and then I'll be back. So I didn't cut it very great, but anyway, I'm gonna round the corners. That's the next thing I usually do. You could always back these index cards on another paper if you think they're too flimsy. It doesn't bother me because I do a stitch around the parameter, what is it, circumference? I don't know. And it seems to like firm them up, but of course it's, you know, you can even use the front of this as a pocket in a journal. It doesn't have to be standalone, you know, but I mean, these could go in Happy Mail. They could go on your fridge. You could do whatever. I never know what I'm doing with all my stuff. I just make stuff because I enjoy the process. Not everything that I make has to have a home. I was thinking I wanted to add this green music paper because it makes sense because it's green. So I'm going to add this. I just had to make sure the music notes are the right way up. Okay, so now I have glue and stuff all over my hands. And now I add washi tape. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm sorry if you were hearing my fan in the background. I was drying this pink one that we did in the last video because there's a little paint on it. All right, so I'm gonna add a tab. Oops, I like to use tickets for tabs. I think they're cute. If I can get this thing folded. We could use any number of things. Pretty cardstock. Oops. Let's see. All right. There we go. Now washi. Let's see. I like to put my washi on all different angles. I have this washi. It looks like, if I can get it open. It's being a pain. It looks like newspaper writing, and I love it, even though it's not green. I'm struggling. I'm gonna use it anyway. It adds a nice background. You'll see if it shows up good on camera. I don't know, or well on camera. If I can get it down. I don't want it on that ticket though. Oops. Okay. I have to add a little bit of glue to seal some of this stuff. Let's add a little more washi. And then a focal point. Let's see. I like to do washi up and down or like vertical, you know, in that direction too. Okay, I can't decide if this is green or blue. Since I love it so much, I'm gonna just pretend like I think it's green, but it could be in both families. So let's see, where do I want this? No, because stitching will cover it. Let's see. Where's my focal point going? That's kind of what matters, I guess. That's good. I think that's enough washi for now. And if you didn't use the ticket as a tab, it could be part of the collage too, which would look good. All right, so now deciding which green piece I want to use. All right, So I just start laying pieces on. This is probably too big. Yep, so can't use that. Got this cute cactus. It's kind of got a botanical theme. I have another dragonfly. I don't know if dragonfly with the butterfly is gonna... Oh, I kind of like it, but I'll put it in my thinking pile. That thing's kind of too big. I mean, I could angle it, but... Regular leaf, don't like it. Seaweed. No, I don't think seaweed would be good. That. No. I think I might do the dragonfly. I just trying to think how to angle it. I don't like it with that butterfly washi. Do I? I mean, I'll do it like that, I guess. We'll see. It's hard for me to use these dragonflies. I'm a hoarder of them. I do have a Collage Fodder playlist for these dragonflies if you want to make your own. I used watercolor, but you can use markers or whatever you want. I'm going to do it just like that. Okay. And then I might, oops, I just threw my glue. Let's see. Sometimes I add a little stamping. Well, most times I do. So, I don't even know what the stamp says, but I'm going to throw it on there because it's something. It says, something about best seeds that grow. I don't know. I'm going to put it on there. I didn't mean to use this stamp color, though. It's green. So, let's see if it shows up. It shows up a little bit. Gives it some texture or depth. I don't know what the word is. Okay, feels like it's complete. I have a few sentiments next to me. Maybe you can put one on. It says life is sweet. Let's see. I don't like yay for today. This just says inspired. It's very faint, but I don't mind that. Like I don't think it needs to be, blaring. Or I could go without a word. I kind of like it. I'm going to put it on there, I think. I'm using Fabri-Tac today because my art glitter glue is on the fritz. It's jammed right now, clogged. Okay. Let me trim this teeny piece of paper. Okay. All right. What do you guys think? It's done to me. Oh, I'll add stitching. I'm going to add stitching to both of these, and then I'll be back and show you the results. All right, you guys, I'm back. Here's the green one finished.